Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line essay on elephant. You can also write this under the topic 10 simple and easy lines on elephant. First line is: elephants are the largest land animals. Second line is: they have big ears, long trunks, and tusks. Third line is: they have thick skin to protect them. Fourth line is: they use their trunks to breathe, drink, and grab things. Fifth line is: they love to eat plants, fruits, and vegetables. Sixth line is: they live in herds. Seventh line is: they are very smart. Eighth line is: they have good memories. Ninth line is: they love to play in water. Last line: they are friendly and caring animals.